Hello everyone, my name is Tawfiq from Tenet Technetronics. I'll be giving you a brief introduction on the components that we have. Hello everyone, I'll be giving you an introduction to a 555 timer IC. This is one of the most common ICs that has been used for any electronic circuit. So this 555 timer is the single chip version and is also called as a multi-vibrator, which is useful in variety of applications in electronic circuits. So this 555 timer chip is probably the most popular integrated circuit ever made. It is basically a monolithic timing circuit that produces accurate and high stable time delays or oscillation. When compared to other applications of operation amplifier in the same areas, this 555 IC is also equally reliable and is cheap in cost. Additional terminals are also provided for triggering or resetting if desired. In the time delay mode of operation or in a monostable mode, the time is precisely controlled by one external resistor and a capacitor. So again, when it comes to another mode, that is an astable operation of an oscillator, the free running frequency and duty cycle are accurately controlled with two external resistors and one capacitor. This IC consists of 23 transistor, 2 diodes and 16 resistor internally to make it work. This 555 can be used to provide time delays as an oscillator, and it could be also used as a flip-flop element. The output of a 555 timer can drive a TTL, that is a transistor logic, due to its high current output. It has a timing from microsecond to hours and can turn off time in less than just 2 microseconds. This 555 timer can be used for many applications, like it could be used for DC to DCD converters, it could be used for digital logic probes, it could be also used for waveform generators, analog frequency meters, tachometers, temperature measurements, and could be used for a variety of applications. If you have any doubts or queries, you can log on to www.tenettech.com or you can drop a mail to info@tenettech.com.